Winter storm warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time Friday. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for most of North Texas. Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow and sleet accumulations between 2 and 4 inches and ice accumulations around a light glaze, impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will continue to become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and Friday morning commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be found at drivetexas.org. You should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for most of North Texas in effect until noon Central Standard Time Friday.